Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is going to be a DIY and I will show you how to make your own vitamin C syrup using orange peel. If you are interested in this video, keep on watching. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. So guys, for the DIY vitamin C syrup, all we are using here is orange. So I have 2 orange here, and I'm using 2 oranges because I don't want too much of it. And of course we are going to use carrier oil as always, and I'm using the pure almond oil. You can use any other carrier oil of your choice. And of course I have my jar bottle here, which is very important in part of making this. So I have my grater here. This is what I will use, and I'm showing you 2 methods to peel the orange. So the first one I'm showing you is the grater method. So just to grate the back of the yellow parts from the orange. And remember, you have to wash your orange because this orange I'm using is well washed and clean. So I'll just go ahead and grate the back of. So guys, at this moment I'm done grating one of the oranges. So I will just go ahead and show you the other method, which is very simple. You can see that the yellow part is out. So guys, I'm going to show you the other method, which is it's not a method. I'm just trying to tell you that you can do your peel. You can peel the orange 2 ways. You can just use your knife to peel the other side, or you can just grate it. So I'm going to show you the other side, the other method. I just use a knife to peel off to peel out the peels, which is the skin of the orange. Before doing that, I just transfer the one I grated into the jar, so like so. Then I'll just go ahead and peel the back, the skin of the orange. As you can see, it's just a simple method. You can decide to use all of your oranges. So I'm just trying to show you that you can use 2 ways. So after cutting the skin of the other one using my knife, I'll just go ahead to just chop it into small tiny pieces. So this part is not necessary anyway. I'm the one that just do it. So to make everything kind of equal, very small inside the jar bottle. Now I want one side to be too big and one side to be too small. That's why I just mash it with my knife, like what you are seeing right now. So it's an option. I can decide to do it this way. It's not necessary that you do it the way I'm doing it. So what is necessary about the peeling the orange peel skin is either you grate it or you cut it with your knife, like the way you are peeling the orange. If you want to take the liquid out, the juice out. So guys, after I'm done with this, I'll just go ahead and transfer them all into the jar bottle. So after adding it to my jar bottle, this is how it looks like, and I'll just go ahead and add the essential oil I'm using. As mentioned earlier, I'm using almond oil, and I'm using pure almond oil, and I will add it to the orange peel a little above it and then mix it together. So this process is just to make everything to incorporate together, so there will not be any parts left out. That's why I'm mixing it together. Then after, I'm going to use the boiling method, the double boiling method. This method is very good, especially when it comes to you making a DIY oil. I really prefer this for making oil for my skin. So this is how it looks like. So guys, orange peel is very rich in vitamin C and vitamin B6. It also contains calcium and other essential nutrients. Orange peel is good for your skin. It protects your skin for free radical, and it also heal your dry skin. Like people like me that have dry skin, orange peel is very good. Orange peel oil is very good. It hydrates your dehydrated skin. It brings back moisture and it's also good for your youthful glowing skin. It help renew worn out cell, and it also work as skin lightening agent. So if you are looking for a DIY skin lighting, you have to use this oil and use it frequently to get a good result. Then I will just place the jar bottle into my boiling water. So this how double boiling is. So I'll just let it boil for about 5 minutes and then turn off the heat of the gas, and then cover it and let it rest in a room temperature for about 5 days. I leave it for 5 days. Can use it for overnight, you can leave it for 2 days, but I just decided to leave it for 5 days. So I also cover it with foil paper so that it will seal in the cover very well. And after covering it with foil paper, which I did show it in this video, which I forgot to do that, and also cover it with my any cloth, any piece of cloth you have at home, so just to seal it very well. So you see that in the bit. So this is how it looks like. So guys, this is 5 days after, and this is what I mean. This is what I was talking about the earlier. I just wrap it with foil paper. So guys, now it's time to strain out the oil. So guys, this part is really hard to open because of the method I used. Okay, so I'll just use my cheesecloth and then strain out the oil. So guys, now I'll just go ahead and open it. You can see how hard it is to open because of the method I use to preserve it. You know, leaving it for your room temperature for about 5 minutes, it might get spoiled if you don't cover it very well. So covering it with foil paper and again using another cloth to cover it, this helps to seal the cover of the jar bottle, if that makes sense. So I'll just go ahead and strain out the oil, and you can see that it smells so nice, like it smells good. So you are not even going to notice that is a DIY oil. Like I mean it, guys. So guys, this is how it is. So what I just did here is just to keep pressing the cheesecloth to make sure that all the oil is out thoroughly before throwing away the shaft. So that is it. And what I really love about this orange peel oil is that there's no water. If it were to be that of a carrot oil, there could have been a water because those contains water. So this is how it looks like. This is the shaft, and this part is not needed. All you just need to do is to throw it away. So and then move to the next procedure, and then move to the next process. So guys, now we have our oil here. I'll just go ahead and add glycerin, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin. So this is just to add extra moisture to it. So guys, after adding the glycerin, I'll just go ahead and add few drop of essential oil, and the essential oil I'm adding first is that of lavender essential oil. If you have been watching my videos, my DIYs video, you know that I love essential oil and I love this lavender. I love it a lot because it scents and the aroma is so really good. So I'll just add about 5 drops of that essential oil. So you can see I have a lot of essential oil. I got this essential oil from Amazon. It's very affordable. And then I'll just go ahead and add another few drops of essential oil, and I'm using the peppermint essential oil, and then also add about 5 drops of that essential oil into the oil that I mix. Essential oil to the oil, right? That makes sense, right? So I just go ahead and mix it together. So I just put a drop on the palm of my hand and then apply it. You can see how well the oil applies. It's very good, and you can also see the effect already. So guys, that is it. So guys, that is it. I'll just go ahead and transfer the oil to my dropper bottle. This will be easy for me to apply, to use whenever I want to apply it on my skin. If you don't have a dropper bottle like this, you can store it in any jar bottle you have at home. So storing it in a jar bottle is preferable, is recommendable than just storing it in a plastic. So guys, this our oil, this our DIY syrup is ready to be used. Is ready to apply on your face or your skin. You can mix it with your body cream, can you mix it with your body lotion. Is very safe and is very recommendable for all skin types. So this is it, is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video, hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to share this video to people out there. Don't forget to share it to your friends. It might be of help to someone. So guys, and also don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.